Hi, I'm Russ Larson. Today we're going to show you the two-way valve air switch. The two-way valve air switch is a valve designed to turn your handpiece on and off without having to turn your compressor on and off. It's basically designed for those using larger compressors, a tank type compressor, that you don't want to have to reach over to your regulator and turn your air on and off every time. You want to leave that set at your engraving pressure, and then you can turn the handpiece on and off just by flipping the switch on the two-way valve. So what we do to install the two-way valve is it comes with everything you see here. It's got an in port and an out port. Doesn't really matter which way it goes, just line up your hoses however you want. If you want to use the bottom for the in port, that's fine. If you want to use the side for the in port, that's fine. I usually use the bottom for the in and the side for the out to come out to my handpiece. So all it is an on-off switch turning the air on and off at the switch. So it comes with a little piece of tubing. We'll just push that tubing onto our lubricator here. If you don't have a lubricator, if you have an oilless handpiece, you'll put it right onto the barb fitting on your regulator. Our valves then here. I usually mount the valve on the top of the regulator stand by drilling a hole or in the side. You can also mount it on your bench wherever you'd like. Then we come out with a piece of the clear tubing. I'm going to come out of the side here on the air valve. And then this comes down and hooks up to our handpiece. So now we have the air coming into the regulator through our compressor hose. We can regulate that up now. So we're at 40 psi. Now you can see my gauge is at 40 psi and my handpiece isn't on because the air switch is what's turning it off. I then flip the switch and my handpiece turns on. So it's a nice way to be able to turn your handpiece on and off without having to run and turn your compressor on and off or having to adjust your filter regulator here, the pressure there. So that's the two-way air valve and how it works.